Hi, this is Edan Belica, and I will discuss to you in this video presentation heap sort. Heap sort is a sorting algorithm that organizes elements in an array using binary heap. Before we will discuss the algorithm of heap sort, I will just tell you some terminologies. Heap, it is an ordered binary tree. Max heap, max heap is a complete binary tree which the parent node value is greater than the child node. This is an example of a maxi. The parent node is here, and these are the child nodes. Build max heap. It creates max heap from an unsorted array. Heapify. It is similar to build max heap, but it is faster because we assume that part of the array is already sorted. We have an example of an unsorted array here, and this is its binary tree. First step in heap sort is to build a max heap from this array. So this step reorganizes the elements to satisfy the heap property, and it runs in linear time. This is the output the of our sample array, and this is its max heap. Once the max heap is built, we move on to the next step, which is swapping the root element, which is the largest value in the heap, with the last element of the heap. As you can see, we swap 9 to 2. Okay. After swapping, the largest element is in its correct sorted position, so we can ignore it for the rest of the sorting process. Number 9 will remain at the last index or last position of the array. However, this swap breaks the heap structure because the root is now replaced with smaller element. To fix this, we perform a heapify down operation to maintain the max heap. This is the output of our heapify. So we have a max heap, but we ignore the sorted part of the array. Now we will perform another swapping. So we swap the root element to the largest value. Since we swap the root element and the largest value, we will now ignore the sorted element of the array. Now we will perform again the heapify to get the max heap of the unsorted array. Now we swap again the largest value and the root element. Now we get the element. We will ignore it again, and we will perform the heapify again. We will swap again the root element and the largest value. Now we will ignore again the sorted element of the array. Now we swap the largest element and the root element again. And now we will ignore the sorted element of the array. Now there is one left element in the heap. It just means that the array is fully sorted. We will now explain the time complexity of the heap sort. So for this one, the first part of the computation of the time complexity building the heap is a linear time process. And the next part is the iteration of the parts of the array. And next one, this is the complexity of the heapify. So when we combine them all, we get this time complexity. Heap sort is very efficient. The only extra variables we need are those required for the heapify process, whose number remains constant regardless of the size of the array. Therefore, the space complexity of the heap sort is O of 1. For this heap sort, I created a pseudocode. First thing we need to do is to build a max heap. In building the max heap, we start from the last non-leaf node and which is at index n over 2 minus 1 and down to 0. And we will perform a heapify operation. The heapify will be discussed in the next slide. The next thing we will do is to extract elements one by one. So we repeatedly place the maximum element at the end of the array. After that, after swapping these two elements, we call heapify again on the root to store the max heap property. And this is this is the heapify operation. So in heapify, we assume that the left and the right subtrees are already heaps. So it just fixes the heap property at index I by finding the largest among the parent and its children. Next, swapping the parent and the larger child if needed, and recursively calling itself until the subtree becomes a valid key. Now, for the part of coding the heap sort in C++ and its implementation, we declare or we created a heapify function here, where we declare a largest variable left and a right variable, where they are all integer. For this one, in this condition, if if the left element is the largest, we put it in the largest container. And if the right element is the largest, we put it in the largest container. And if the largest is not the root, then we swap here and perform a heapify operation, which is the recursion of this heapify process. Now for the main function of heap sort, this is the code block. For the heap sort, we should initialize an array here in the as an argument in the heap sort. Here in this for loop, we iterate the for creating a max heap. And here we extract elements from heap one by one. In this line, we move max to the end. And in this line, the heapify process again. In the main method, now we initialize uh, an array and we perform a for loop to print the array. And after that, we perform a heap sort operation for the array. And after that, we print the sorted array. And now we will run the program. As you can see, this is the original array and this is the output of our sorted array. Thank you for listening for my presentation.